All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here we have a new watch alert, and it's been a long time. It's almost been a year. It was a Kickstarter campaign started by two people I've been following for a very long time. I'll put their information below. One is J&G Watches, or J&G Watches, the company, but it was co-designed by James. And I'll put his Instagram down below, and he's been on a couple of YouTube videos as well with Gary Williams from I Like Watches. So here we go. We finally have the EXCITON, and I kind of did the DHL packaging, but I haven't opened it yet until now. So there you go. So cool. I know everyone's seen pictures of it, or if you haven't, it's a well-known watch to us enthusiasts who have been following these these guys online and on YouTube and stuff. But I just wanted to show you, for the people that don't know, this is a fully custom engineer style bracelet, tapering, each individual links, screwed links for sizing, so all bespoke. The clasp was used by previously used by other companies, but they took that design and they kind of incorporated it into their bracelet. And there's where the J&G. Okay, so James and Gary, and there's your EXCITON II. Let me get this head covering off, case covering, and I'll get the hands moved out of the way and show you the case back and all that. Good, I can use that plastic again. But yeah, there it is, finally in the metal. Geez, it seemed like this was never going to happen. There was delay after delay, and it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. I love that little pop of purple on the second hand and the name. As soon as the light play hits it, you can really see everything pop. Those indices are beautiful. They did some tweaks from version 1 with the numerals and the Arabics. But for the most part, this is a carbon copy of the version 1. But I do like the tweaks that they made. I wasn't able to get a version 1. I jumped all over this one the day they announced it, and I'm glad I did. And I'm also glad I went with the date, because the no date had a ghost position, even though it would have had a little bit of better symmetry on the dial, but I still think it kind of works like this. So like I said, let's get those hands out of the way, unscrew the crown. Running a Miyota 9000 series movement. J&G, look at that case profile. For a diver, a 200-meter diver, to have it this thin is phenomenal. And then there's the case back. So James, being a scientist, he wanted a watch that was a utility tool watch, and in every sense of the word, here's a really good tool watch. So it's got the conversions, some stuff that we use on an everyday basis, and there you go. Let's get those hands moved out of the way. So first pop, second pop, hacks. There you go. So again, fully custom bracelet. The clasp is something that's been used before, but I think this really works with the bracelet as well. Okay, and obviously custom, fully integrated female or negative end links. So that's the watch. It also comes with this really nice screwdriver for resizing. And in here we have, like I said, I haven't opened it. Okay, so a really nice Chronos branded tool. Really nice touch. I wasn't expecting this. I knew they were going to throw in a screwdriver to resize it, But this is a really nice weighted tool. It is branded by Kronos because the production was done in China at the Kronos factory, and as we all know, Kronos pumps out some really high-end watches on AliExpress. So once they had that backing and that partnership going, it was a no-brainer, especially because Kronos just makes some killer watches. Okay, so what else comes with it? Obviously a really nice custom warranty card. So custom bracelet, BGW9 limited edition, 38 millimeter Miyota 9000 series, 200 meters. Okay, and then a 2-year warranty. So if you guys want to read that, there's the jngwatches@gmail.com. But I'll put all their other information in the link. And then what's really cool, and they never had to do this at all, was they even included 2 straight end links, so you can wear the bracelet with other watches. The watch I'm really excited to try the bracelet on, and I think it's going to look amazing, is this guy here. So I would love to see how this bracelet, an engineer style bracelet, would look on the Monster. And you can see there 42 versus 38. But the bracelet will work on there. Bracelet's going to work on a multitude of watches. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's 20 millimeters, 38 millimeters in diameter, 20 millimeter end link. I think like a very 11 millimeters, I believe, flat crystal. Let's check the bezel out. Oh wow, that's very satisfying. Very nice bezel. No wobble, no backplane, nothing. So yeah, excited to get this on. Probably gonna wear it today for work. And there you have it. So there's an unboxing, first impressions from J&G Watches, the EXCITON II. Looking forward to spending some time with this guy. Alright folks, until the next one, have a good one and enjoy your long weekend if you're watching at time of video.